Minecraft Hexxit. Let's play. Okay, guys. Before, my Xbox just beeped. But before we start, I have to plug in my headphones, which I forgot to plug in, and they are plugged in. Okay. Let's start our Hexxit world again. Oh my gosh, I love Hexxit, don't you? Like, if you get it. Okay, now guys, I will be burping a lot this episode. Like, you might hear me pause during a sentence or something because I have not been feeling good today. I about threw up about 20 minutes ago. And, what else happened? I have nasty burps, which are, I call them nasty burps, but really it's acid in my stomach that forms if I stay up late or eat late at night, which I did last night. I forgot what I ate a slice of pizza last night, and I guess it really messed with my stomach, and now I'm all sicky. So don't be hating while skating. You could still skate, just don't hate while skate. Okay, well, last episode, when I was looking at the footage, when I was editing it, I noticed that there were more diamonds over here. Gosh, it is super laggy. There might be a mod in, like, Hexxit or something that just spawns diamonds. Like, that just spawns ores really close up to high grounds. Okay. I'm just super scared that I'm gonna fall in the ravine because I'm having lots of lag and my mouse does that double freaking click that I hate. My Xbox just beeped again. Stop doing the double click. Oh my gosh. It's just so annoying because then I waste 2 blocks. Okay, I gotta fix this lag somehow. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pause the video and restart. Okay, I'm back. It should be a lot less laggy now. Okay. It's working out pretty well. Oh my gosh, look how many diamonds are here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, oh my gosh, I almost fell. And then 6, 7 are over there. So, almost about 7 more diamonds. This is great. Is there anything I have? Okay, dirt. I just had a huge burp while I was gone, and I drink Mountain Dew to not make it nasty. Because it's not nasty if I drink Mountain Dew. Oh crap! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That was super close. I'm about to burp. Oh yay, that one didn't taste bad. This is probably really disgusting to you guys. You're like, ew, he's a weirdo. What a fart weirdo he is. Well, today I had the coughs, the most horrible coughs you can have. When I was in 4th grade, I had a cough. I had like the coughs, and all my friends were around me. and I was super scared to cough because I had like the coughs where your stomach like bloats all up, and then it just like I was sitting really up close trying to hold in the coughs as much as I can. I was like going freaking crazy. And sometimes I would just like it would just pop out of me and I'd go Boo! And push, and I would get pushed out of my chair. Like my stomach would bloat up and push myself out of my chair. Like from the table, not out of my chair. And everybody would just like stare at me, and I'd be like, oh no, I don't like this. Oh, I burped. Where did that skeleton come from? Oh crap, where? Oh, I forgot. I'm not shifting! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I can't die with 14 diamonds on my butt crack. I just gotta make a crafting table then. Okay, crafting table. I'm gonna make some diamond armor. Oh, diamond chest plate. Crap, I hit R on accident. Diamond chest plate. Yeah, yeah. Do I have enough iron to make some iron stuff? I burped again. It's worse than you think. But I have learned to live with this. Whew. Okay, well I have iron ore and the furnace. So I think I'm good for right now. Coal. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Good for right now. I'm just gonna make some iron ore. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me kill you, girl. I'll save that rotten flesh just in case I run out and I'm very desperate. Food. Oh crap, come on. What the heck? Why are you bugging out, mouse? Done. Okay, there. What should I make? Should I wait? I should wait for iron leggings. Why don't those ever like spawn? And more. Okay, there. Iron leggings in my hands. Okay, it automatically puts it on here. And then I have enough for 1, 2, 3 more. I'm not sure if I'll have enough for iron boots. I'll have enough for diamond boots, but I kind of don't want to make diamond boots. Oh, okay. It's a bat. Yep, I will, I'm 1 away from getting my diamond boots. I mean, my iron boots, but I'm not sure if I should make some diamond boots. Should I? Should I, guys, or should I find just 1 more piece of iron? Ow! Oh, iron. Okay, that's perfect. This is a lot of iron, too. Oh, I think I hit that bat. I'm sorry, bat. I'm sorry, Batty Patterson. You're just flying in the way of my pickaxe. I burped. 11 iron ore. Oh, rails. Look at that. You know, rails are just like ladders, just they replace the wood part of the ladder with iron. Don't you see that? I hope you guys have a happy Christmas. And what was that? Was that like a gas tier? Oh, an iron nugget. Okay. Okay, so I have full armor. I got diamond chest plate, iron helmet, iron leggings, iron boots. I'm just gonna keep this iron. I need to build a home soon. Gosh. Just realized that. And how about an iron axe? I don't have any sticks. 4, which I can make that, which makes that, which gives me this, which means that they can make sorry, I'm coughs. I got the cough. Oh my gosh, zombie. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here until it's fully morning. Okay. Or at least until that zombie dies. Here, grab my coal. It feels like the deeper I go, the less diamonds there's gonna be. But that is not the case. Okay, how am I gonna build up? I guess just build up. Ah, what? Oh my gosh, you loser. You scared me. You're like, oh, I'm going to... How did he survive that fall anyways? Oh. I gotta mine my way all the way up. This is gonna take forever. Oh yeah, and I also want to save my diamonds to mine obsidian. Oh wait, isn't there... I could get obsidian. I found a ravine that one time. Ah! I fell. Okay, is there any obsidian in this ravine? I have highly doubts because this seems like an all-water ravine. Yeah, I don't think there's... Come on, where's the torch? Okay, well, whatever. Okay, this mouse sensitivity is like not working out. It keeps going super fast and super crazy. And now it's super slow. 85. Yeah, that should be enough. I'm not getting that squid sack. I'm trying to swim up. Come on, get up there. Get up there. You've got to be kidding me. This is taking forever. I should head deeper into this ravine. Come on. I just really need to find some lava. I didn't say mobs. I said... Why does skeleton shoot so fast? I can't even hit him. Oh. Timer is done. God, that took forever. Well, a bow. What is this? I don't know what this is, and I can't use it. And then I'll throw out this 2 iron ore. I'll throw out this to get a bow. Yay! Oh, I could have just thrown out this. I'm gonna try to pick up. What did I pick up? I picked up the bones. I already have enough iron. Yeah, I want to pick up this. Okay, well, I have to end the episode. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. And don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, wait. Goodbye.